it's Drive-By DIY, doing a tool review on this Makita MLS100 chop saw. Been after one of these for a while, been researching it. Like my Makita stuff, very well made, decent quality for the price that you pay. Never had an issue with them. So I went for this chop saw purely because I needed something. Just moved house, got a lot of work to do, and I needed something for quick sawing, something that was going to be reliable and last me for a while. I got this basically because I did a lot of research. This is the one I went for. It's mainly for the Mitre joints, very quick action, saw through, straight, comes with a Hoover bag as well. Got it 240 volt plug, which is great, which is what I wanted. Didn't want anything different for like building site, 120 volt stuff. So I went for this. Cost me, what was it, 180 quid, which is not bad. I've got it on a decent deal. They were going for like 240, 250 quid. Some were even more expensive, but I got this 180 quid. It's very well put together. It was very easy to put together as well when it arrived. Came in a decent sized box. It's very easy to use for the for setting your angles. So one hand action, which is great. Can fix to a bench. Comes with the holes to fix to a bench as well. But I want this for more out in the garden and some of the work I'm going to be doing out there. It's got a decent clamp on it, fixing your wood. Got wood levelers as well when you're cutting. The lock for carrying just under there, so that just pulls out. And then springs back up. It's hard to do it with one hand. Good action, so good movement with the guard as well. It's got a good swing to it, very smooth, straight in and out, cut your wood, back up again. It is quite noisy. It's got a good solid Hoover bag as well, which don't blow off. Had that happen to me. So we'll put it in action and then see what you think.